Hello everyone. In this video session, we'll talk about battery charging and maintenance. Let us discuss the constant voltage CV method. As the name implies, the voltage remains the same and the current varies during charging. The charging current will be high at the time of starting and slow down as the battery voltage increases. Simply, the charging current is high when the battery voltage is low and low at high battery voltages. This may cause the electrodes to get damaged and increase the temperature of the battery, so the life of the battery is shortened. Generally, the CV charging method is efficient for speedy charging, but it may damage the battery capacity. In order to overcome this advantage, a multi-stage voltage charging method is used. Here, voltage is adjusted using a rheostat or variable resistor equal to the voltage of the charging battery. You can check the voltage of the voltmeter connected across the battery. Let us discuss the constant current CC method. A constant current is used during the entire charging procedure in this method, known as continuous current charging. After reaching a certain amount, charging stops. Continuous charging may cause damage to the battery plates and accelerate their aging. Compared to constant voltage charging, this method can charge a battery fully in a short time. A low charging current provides high capacity utilization. Prepare a lamp bank circuit which may consist of 5 numbers of 200 watts each. Each lamp is controlled by its own switch. Connect the battery that has to be charged, the ammeter and the lamp bank all in series with the circuit. Connect a voltage across the voltmeter to check the voltage level of the battery during charging. Switch on the circuit. Set the current value for constant current charging by switching on the lamps using individual switches. Each lamp carries 0.9 amps of current approximately. If you want to charge the battery at 0.9 amps, switch on only one lamp. If you want to charge the battery with a more current rating, switch on more lamps according to the charging current. Ensure the charging current using the ammeter. Let us discuss the care and maintenance of a battery. It is necessary that batteries are properly maintained to ensure reliability. Under ideal operating and maintenance conditions, this could extend battery life to 7 or 8 years. There are different problems that occurred in the battery due to the lack of maintenance. Undercharging or overcharging problems commonly occur due to the lack of proper battery maintenance. If the charging of the battery is not handled or maintained properly, it can reduce the battery capacity in day-to-day activities. Undercharging not only reduces the battery capacity in day-to-day work activities, but also causes abnormal sulfation, leading to further reduction of capacity and early cell failure. The life cycle of the battery depends not only on the quality of the battery, but also on the maintenance of the battery done by the users. In fact, the life cycle mostly depends upon how properly the battery is maintained. Let us discuss how to maintain a battery. As the battery is charged, a small amount of water in the electrolyte is broken down into hydrogen and oxygen. So it is necessary to fill up the battery with water at a particular time. If watering is not done properly on time and when the battery electrolyte level is allowed to drop substantially, the gas volume inside the battery grows proportionately, resulting in an increased amount of flammable gas mixture. Before starting the charging cycle, visually check the individual cell and ensure that the electrolyte level is above the separator protector. Always use distilled water. Proper ventilation is required for batteries to release the gas formed during electrolysis. Overcharging and undercharging may affect the battery's aging. Plates in the cells get damaged due to overcharging. Voltage per cell should not be allowed to drop below 1.75 volts. The battery must start charging when the discharge rate is at 80%. Always connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery charger to the positive and negative of the battery, respectively. Disconnect the battery charger from the battery once the battery is fully charged. Periodic testing of the battery and charger is important. Battery terminals should be cleaned and coated with grease to avoid corrosion. Choose the correct capacity rating battery for the load system. Keep the upper surface of the battery always dry and clean. Every 3 months, wash the clamp, terminal, tray and battery cell. Maintain the servicing of the battery every 6 months. Do not cover the battery with sheets or any other things. Touching the battery terminals can cause an electrical shock, so never allow both terminals to make contact with yourself or with any item. Avoid flammable substances near the battery. Keep checking the specific gravity of the electrolyte using a hydrometer. The specific gravity of the electrolyte in a fully charged cell should be 1.280 to 1.300. Use the water to lower the specific gravity and the acid to increase it. Ensure the connections on the battery terminals are kept tight or use terminal clips. Batteries can be dangerous when mishandled. Practice safe and appropriate lifting provided in batteries. Always cover the terminals of batteries with a plastic cover when the battery is kept idle. Always place the battery on stands with wooden boards. After watching this video, I hope you will be able to charge and do maintenance on your battery. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.